Guys, today I'm going to talk about everyone's favorite.
Recuperó como entrado, el cuero lo tiene Cristiano, le puede pegar Cristiano, el golpeo de Cristiano, ¡qué golazo! ¡Gol! ¡Golazo de Cristiano Ronaldo!
Cristiano Ronaldo, a name that made millions of fans go crazy for him. He is the reason that everybody loves football.
There's a fair amount of worry amongst the Marseille supporters, and why not? It is absolutely wonderful header. Once again, unstoppable. The best player on the planet at the moment.
Ronaldo is the most followed athlete on social media. Not only is Ronaldo one of the most celebrated soccer players in history, but he also spent a large chunk of his wealth on the sickest rides. So guys, in this video, I'm gonna talk about 5 most expensive cars of Cristiano Ronaldo. So let's go. Number 1. Bugatti Centaur DSC. Cristiano Ronaldo has emerged as a face of the Bugatti brand. His collection also includes the Bugatti Chiron and Veyron. This is a limited edition masterpiece created to pay homage to the iconic Bugatti EW1110 and was first introduced to the public in 2019. Number 2. Bugatti Veyron. The first Bugatti to arrive in the collection was this black Grand Sport with the contrasting orange interior. He purchased the car in 2016, fresh off his Champions League victory with Real Madrid. Bugatti Veyron once held the official record as the fastest open-top production car in the world. Number 3 is Lamborghini Aventador. In 2012, Ronaldo celebrated his 27th birthday with some style when he dug into his weekly wages and bought himself this Lamborghini Aventador. The blacked out paint scheme adds an element of aggressiveness to the naturally aspirated V12 supercar that is capable of putting almost 700 SP. Number 4. Ferrari F12 TDF. Ronaldo is a big Ferrari fan and currently has few parked up in his garage. The most impressive has to be this limited edition Ferrari F12 TDF. Only 799 units of the V12 supercar were produced. The car can hit a top speed in excess of 210 mph and needs less than 3 seconds to get to 60 mph. Number 5. Bugatti Chiron. The Chiron is an ultra-exclusive hypercar that cost Ronaldo well over 2 million to acquire. He showed off the machine in September 2017, just after he made his 400th appearance for Real Madrid, a game in which he scored a brace. Ronaldo is one of the greatest ever soccer players. He played over 400 games for Real Madrid with an astonishing goal rate with more than a goal per game. So guys, that's all for today. If you like this video, do share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Till then, stay safe and stay tuned.